Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. I'm Soraya. Enjoy this video, it's a really fun one. I'm painting with my grandson.
I will show up on white.
Here's white would be good. We need to have a little bit of white. Put the white there. Do you want the hot pink and purple and the white? Okay, that looks good. Good choice. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour these colors
Into the cup?
into the cup. Now I'm gonna get something so that my hands don't get so
I have to do little dog ones. What's those?
All right, we can do that after. Okay, so we're gonna pour some of this in here. Good, put that over here. And then the blue. Good. Good job. Put it over here. Then the white. Do it on the side if you can. On the side. And put it here. And this. And I think we need a little bit more white. Good job.
That looks beautiful.
Yeah.
It looks like, and then we're going to mix it.
Wow, okay, so now we got all the colors in there. Look at that. Let's show the camera what it looks like. Now what you're gonna do is I'll show you with another cup. Don't touch this cup yet. What you're gonna do is pretend this is this cup. You're gonna pick it up and you're gonna go like this, but not like this. Slowly let it come out, okay? Very, 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 very slowly. And it's gonna go on top of here. Let's do it together. I'm so lucky and so happy that my grandson is interested in this. He has both grandmothers that are artists, so I guess it runs in his DNA. So we had a wonderful time, and he really did pick all the colors. I just added the white. Otherwise it would have been a little bit too dark, but he loved doing this. Of course, he got all messy.
Look how beautiful it is.
It is very beautiful. Now, what you have to do is you pick it up and we move the paint this way, back to the middle. Watch your fingers. Okay, tilt it back towards you. Tilt it to this corner. Oh, look how beautiful it is. And then this corner. And then back to here. Let's turn it around. Okay, a little bit more. Good job, Anthony. Keep doing that. Good. Now this part here. Put your fingers, run your fingers along the side over here. And where it's white. You see up here where it's white? Good job, and look at your painting.
Yeah.
So here's the painting. Pretty cool.
Can I see?
You chose some wonderful colors. I can't wait to see how it dries. Just 1 second. So here we are the next day, and his painting turned out beautifully. It really looks lovely. He picked all the colors, like I said, and we had a ball together doing this painting. It's very, very well done for a very first pour. Well done. Smile.